Hey yo, what's up? I am 90 and today I'm going to show you a way to do to make a 3D model one way. There's a lot of ways to make a model, but in this video I will show you one. If you want another way, I will do a second video about that, about other way. You know that there is a lot of ways to make a model, and at the beginning it's a difficult thing because you don't know how to make it. You could make a model, but that will be so bad. This way it's very simple. You only I wait. Okay. You only have to. Okay, then at the first we will get here a cube when I do a new scene. Okay, I like to delete all, and then I create with a shift plus a or whatever. Okay, when to make to create a plane, and then I put the edit mode. Then I press Alt M. Okay, and so yes, I am using Blender 279 maybe. I really don't know, but yes, this is not the new version. You can make and you can do this obviously in the in the newest version. I don't use that the newest version because I'm very familiar with this version, and that's why. Okay, then what is that way? Then when I do that, Alt M, or in the newest version, I think that it's only pressing the KM. Then I put at the center, here it is now, and then I press the E to do yes this. Okay, then I this very cool. I don't say that at the beginning of this video, but this will be very cool because you will not hear this in other videos. Yes, I learned this by myself using this Blender. I only read one book, but okay, maybe I read the half of that book. And yeah, this all I learned by myself. Okay, then I will not make something hard. I will make a simple thing. Okay, then when you get this or something like you wanna, you have to uh, select the vertices, three vertices, four, I don't know, what you want, and press the F, and then you will create a face. And yes, this step by step you will do your model. Yes, this you can see this. Okay. Okay, here I create scene like a rupee maybe if I do this. Okay, here's a rupee from Zelda. Okay, and that's it. With this way I create all the models. However, nowadays I use other way that I will show in another video. So like this video, you can follow me obviously to see that other video because that way will be more cool and you will not hear that way in other place, in other video or other books or anything. Or I think that because I never did that by myself completely, I don't hear that way that I will show in never, never, never. Okay, so this in other video, if you like, I will make a video putting texture, so I